Good day! In today's lesson, we will be dealing with past progressive tense and habitual past. Now, let's define first what a past progressive tense is. So, when we say past progressive tense, it means to describe an ongoing activity in the past. Example, when I say she was studying, it may mean that she's studying yesterday and up to this moment. Another example, they were repairing the house. It may mean that last month until now, they are repairing the house. So this deals with an ongoing activity in the past. Another way that can help you identify if the statement is a past progressive tense is when you see this formula. Was or were plus verb ing. We use was if the subject is singular or pertains to only one, and we use were if the subject is plural or pertains to two or more. So always remember that was and were is used for past tense form. And then was or were is followed by the verb ing or those verbs that end with ing. Example, climb plus ing, we have climbing. Sing plus ing, we have singing. Dance plus ing, we have dancing. So those are examples of verb ing. So there are also rules to follow in using past progressive tense, and one of them is this. Past progressive tense is used to express an action in the past which is interrupted by another action. Example, she was reading when the school bus arrived. Here we have two actions. The first one is she was reading and the other one is the school bus arrived. So as you can see here, the first action was interrupted by another action. So she was reading but it was interrupted when the school bus arrived. Note as well that the other verb is in the past tense form, which is the word arrived. And the other was formed by was plus verb ing, which is was reading. Another example. Carla was taking a bath when the telephone rang. So here we have two actions. First is Carla was taking a bath, and the other one is the telephone rang. So the first action was interrupted by another action. So Carlo was taking a bath that time, but it was interrupted when his telephone rang. Notice as well that the other verb is in the past tense form, which is the word rang. And the other was formed by was plus verb ing, which is was taking. Next example. He was painting the door when a boy approached him. So again, here we have two actions. The first action, which is he was painting the door, was interrupted by another action, which is the boy approached him. So, meaning when he was painting, he was interrupted when a boy approached him. Take note as well that the other verb has a past tense form, which is the word approach, and the other one is formed by was plus verb ing, which is the words was painting. So since we're done with the past progressive tense, let's move on to the habitual past. Habitual past is also called as used to form because it is basically formed using used to. Habitual past indicates a habitual action which was true in the past but no longer true at the present. So in other words, you always do that before but no longer do that in the present. Or you have that thing or quality before but no longer have that in the present. So now let's have examples. Anna used to have a slim figure when she was younger. So since we use the words used to, this sentence only means that Anna had a slim figure before when she was younger but no longer in the present. So we can say that she has now gained weight. Another example, Mira used to admire educated people when she was in college. So here it only means that before Mira admired educated people but not anymore. Next, I used to walk to school. So this means that it was the thing he did habitually in the past, which is to walk and going to school. So that's the end of our discussion for today. I hope you've learned something. Thank you.